We use Sylvania off-road lighting because they're the best in the business. With over 125 years of optical engineering experience, Sylvania off-road lighting provides a usable, reliable, and durable light solution for all conditions. Sylvania Off-Road offers a portfolio of high-performance LED off-road lights designed to enhance your off-road experience, and the best part is they're backed by a lifetime limited warranty. We're out in Moab, Utah for our night runs at Easter Jeep Safari. We've outfitted our vehicles with a couple Sylvania lights. We've got the light bar and the 3-inch cubes up here. These are more of a spotlight. This is going to give us more broad reach. But the dangers out here are real. So you've been wheeling a long time out at night, Rubicon Trail, but now we're in Moab where it changes a little bit with the cliffs and the steep drop-offs. And as you said, it's tough during the day.
It's tough during the day in Moab. There's big cliffs, there's big uh-oh moments that can happen. So imagine now you've transitioned into night. The rocks can seem bigger, the shadows are deeper, and the more light you have to help you along, the safer you can be.
We need to keep everyone safe. That's our #1 concern out here.
Thanks. I'm excited about tonight. Never been on a night run. We got a little lighting display for tonight because they said get yourself light, so we'll have to plug that in and turn it on.
We haven't really done any night wheeling, so this will be kind of fun.
I've never done a night run. I've been to Moab countless times, but this is my second Jeep Jamboree and my very first night run, and I'm so excited to see all the Jeeps lit up and see the other side of Moab that a lot of these trails don't put you on.
So we're about 0.75 miles into the trail right now, and we've climbed up on our first plateau. This is where we're gonna have base camp later in the evening after the darkness kind of settles and the sun goes down. We're about a mile into the trail. This is kind of a new section. We found this section a couple years ago. It's kind of a new technical section, kind of a hard climb to the top. This is when we gotta really make sure our aftermarket lights are on as well, because everything's starting to get a little darker, and this is where the challenge really happens.
We're right near the Hell's Revenge Trail. We're about to take on a fin, like you find often in the area here. We drop off on both sides. It's vitally important to have good lighting while we're out here. Make sure you can see the guides that are out in front of you and have a great read on what's going on either side of the trail.
All right, everybody, great job. What an incredible evening night run. Welcome to camp. You guys did a phenomenal job. We're gonna get out of the Jeeps here. We got some chili, cornbread, s'mores, and some hot chocolate, and celebrate the evening.